Alright guys, got another practice problem here on HackerRank, and I thought I would make a video on it because in the video that I will release before this one we talk about is lower and is upper, and I was trying to think of a way that I could, actually I have the code right here, I was trying to think of a way that I could go without creating this, and I think I found the reason that what I was trying didn't work. And that's because if you try to just mutate the string by the index of the character you want to change, it will say that it does not support item assignment. And I can't remember, but I'm assuming that's the error I got when I was trying to run it. But it has this nice little trick that we can use, and that is turning this string into a list, mutating it that way, the character, and then creating the string by joining with, the thing that we're joining being nothing, really. Just a blank character, or whatever you want to call that. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I thought I would do this one live with you guys. And we have some sample input, so it's going to say abracadabra, and then on the fifth character, so that would be like right here, or no, it would be the fifth index, so it would be the sixth character. It's going to replace that with a K, and you can see that's what it did right here. So let's think about this. Let's go ahead and do what they did, which is make the string into a list. So let's call this stra list or something like that. And what was the method? We just pass in the string into the list. Okay. So we can do this, and string is the variable. Okay. So this creates a list, and now we can go to this position, the index, which is passed by this variable position. So stra list, and then square brackets position, because it'll be a numerical value, is going to equal character instead of what it now equals. And now we can return what they did. So they have just a blank character, pretty much a non-existent one, and they're going to join the iterable stra list that we created. I believe this is going to work. Whoops. I didn't mean to hit Control Save. I'm so used to when I'm writing code. Let me zoom in for you guys too. I'm so used to when I'm writing code that I just hit save all the time. So now, if we look at this just to make sure everything makes sense, it does all of this for us. It gets the string, and it gets the position and the new character, and all we have to do is worry about this. It looks like so good. Now, if we go ahead and hit run, I think it should now work, and it looks like it did. So it looks like we are able to just pass in a string into a list function. I didn't even know that was possible. And, it goes to show that doing this website's problems, HackerRank, their problems, you can actually learn new things. And obviously this is one of the new things that I learned. And that is a way that you can mutate characters of a string and then join them, turning it back into a string. It's pretty cool. Let me go ahead and submit code just to make sure all of there's only 2 test cases. Make sure they both go before I say that is the final solution. Sometimes this goes really slow. There we go. I should start I don't have a Twitter account, but I should start one just to just to tweet every time I get one of these right. I feel like no one, and that would be the only thing that I would put on my Twitter. I feel like no one would follow me because no one cares. Maybe you care. I hope you care. I care about you. So that's it. This is a short video. I want to do this one live. I thought I like these kind of videos. I like solving problems with you guys, whether or not you are here in the flesh. I hope that you can learn from these just as much as I do. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care as always. See ya.